Hello to everyone. Happy Wednesday. So I'm cooking what's that for Ellen and Sisi, hamburger and finger, because Ellen she's hair down. So while the putor or while we go there in the family of Sarah, I don't know if we are going. So I make first the little Celine to eat, and not only Celine, just with Ellen also because she is here. So I'm finishing the school. Di come early in the school kasi nga putor Ramadan kaya that's why. So I'm cooking. Shout out, sorry very much for my live. What I do, siguro they don't what's that? They don't support the Wi-Fi in my live. At least I can have a 30 minutes. It's a bliss pa rin yan. 30 minutes, it's more bliss. That's what I have. Okay. The important that's what I'm telling. I have I have 30 minutes in today. So I'm very sorry. Even sana one hour ba? Minimum 1 hour. It's good sana, but it's become 30 minutes. It's a quickly urgent live like yesterday. Instead that it's 30 minutes na. My madam and myself, it's already go down to go home. Kaya nga kasi there is school, so we need na to go and to sleep. That's what we do. And yesterday I'm telling to Madam to go supermarket because Sisi they have no more halib na, and but it's very sad. Ay naku, no comments additional. No more halib na kasi, and I have no for cleaning. I'm using already with water, and I don't want to make the hammam that is yellow. That's why. So I don't think so now if we can go. They make refuse. For what? They make it refuse for what? That one is for the use of the house. It's not for my personal use, to clean for the hammam, to clean for to give to buy hot dog for Celine, milk, tissue, and that one is for the house. Ay, naku talaga naman, it's very, that's what I'm telling, it's very hard talaga. Every 2 months yan. I buy every 2 months. I make it budget every 2 months for cleaning of my bathroom. In the bathroom, for the bathroom ba what I mean, for the 2 bathroom. And sometimes kasi Celine, she is asking if what she want to eat or to bring in the school, in the lunch box. And then if I said no, I have no more. So that's why it's very sad. So how much na I have? I have 10 for pa. Okay, until I finish. Maybe I can finish. What time when I finish this one that they are eating, because Sisi I take shower, So I clean the bathroom when I finish. And I let them to eat only here in the kitchen while I'm cleaning. So at least if we go to the putor, or sometimes kasi she's busy na in playing, so she cannot eat well. I know that she eat good because I give him rice laban in the school in her lunch box. So but it's better that I give some food so that she can eat well and she's not feeling hungry. That's what I do here. If I have time, if I'm not so much busy with my cleaning, so that's what I do. Oh, Yelena, sit down here. Come here. So, what? Pipi? Just a minute. Here, go there, go there. Slide it out. That's what I do. Tingnan mo yung cellphone ko. Nabaliktad na yung cellphone ko. Ay, ginawa ko. Nabaliktad na pala yung cellphone. Kasi ako ba lamang. Nabaliktad na yung cellphone namin. Nawala sa mode. No need to shout nga. No need to shout. No need to shout, Chilin, kasi nag-live si Grace na video. What? Sit down, Sisi. Sit down. Sit down, Sisi. Hot pa yan, Ilin. Just wait kasi. Sit down ka doon. Ila, sit down. Sit down, sit down. Ila. Oh, ayan for you, Sisi. Ay, not yet pa, Ilin. One more pa. Okay? It's hot. Okay na, ha? Don't watch that. I told you hot. I told you just wait, Ellen, ha? Kasi yan, very hot pa yan. Ako yung children. Ganun talaga. That's what we are here. So, it's better that they can eat good. before they are eating chocolate because they are wanting to eat chocolate. So I let them to eat first before they are eating the chocolate. You eat the chocolate already, Ellen?
Yeah.
Yeah, ala si Ellen. I told you don't eat the chocolate because we are eating pa. You must to eat first. Ganun talaga ang children. Ay, ko. That's what me here, okay? That is the life of OFW. I have the... Oh, ayun yung dalawa, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayun yung dalawa. Ayun yung dalawa, oh. Thank you again for watching. Shout out to all of us, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world. Thank you to all that you have. First subscriber until now that I have. Thank you to all subscriber, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and then thank you for the all viewers. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all supporters that we have. More blessings at all. I will thank you for your help. Aray ko, mainit. Thank you for your help, for giving me in my hours, in additional hours that I have. Thank you very much talaga. Just a minute. Ellen, I told you, Ellen, very hot talaga. Kasi don't take for Ellen. Oh, ayan yan, Ellen, ha? Here, I give you water. Thank you so much. Thank you to the some vlogger. Thank you for watching. Thank you to the some vlogger that you are still helping to my channel, especially to add to my hours. Thank you for watching. Thank you that you are still with us. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. And to all vlogger in social media, thank you very much. Keep safe, more blessings. God bless us all. Whatever we are, whatever we do, where we are, not only to the old blogger in the social media, to all people in this earth. Thank you very much. Some of them only they just subscribe, and some of them also that they are watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you and bye. God bless us all. More blessings. Happy afternoon. Ayun na yung tatlo. Ayan na, oh. Thank you so much and bye. Sunog na.